Hello, I'm Craig.
And I'm Shonda, and we're better together.
And we're going to show you guys today how we're going to install a base, but adjustable base bed. I'm going to walk you into my garage, my shop area. This is an adjustable base right here. It comes from Mattress Firm. I will have a picture of the model and stock number. It's just a regular cheapy adjustable base. As a matter of fact, it was the cheapest one they had at a Mattress Firm for a queen size bed with simple modifications, and put it inside this Class A motorhome. It's a 37.5-foot Class A motorhome. All right, she's already working on this back here with this big mattress. This is the platform we're gonna be working on. We're gonna try to attach the adjustable base by modifying the legs so it won't be sitting tall, too tall, or even removing the legs and fasten the frame directly to this platform. All right, YouTube guys, right now this is the bed. What I did so far, I took those, it was like 2, 4, 6, 8 screws holding that base piece on. As you can see, it's a seam there that allows this bed to lift up for storage. So at the point right now we're gonna do, and this is the base, we just got it sitting here. As you can see, you can have it in here, just sitting here ready. What we're gonna do now, we gotta take the hydraulic arms. The hydraulic arms is the ones that holds the bed up while you putting your storage material under the bed. Anyway, there's one there, and there's one on the other side, as you can see, and this is just basically storage. So I'm gonna take those 2 hydraulic arms off. All right guys, we got the hydraulics off, we got the board off, so that's what we're looking at right here. Okay, we put the legs on the bed, and we set the bed down inside of the pre-existing base. We did no cutting. The only thing we did was took the top board off, and the legs was narrow enough where it actually went down inside the base. Set it up. And notice we do have this, which is so-called nightstands on the side. It actually is just perfect going between there. We still have enough room inside of the base to actually adjust it to the left or right if we wanted to. And that's the highest position, sweetie. Let's see what she is on the highest position. How far it goes up. Oh my God, I don't think nobody, yeah. That's it, okay, just locked out right there at the pins that's behind the base. All right, she's gonna let it back down. Notice the smooth assertion of it. And believe me guys, this base is heavy as, I was gonna say, you know, something else, but I'm gonna say it's heavy as heck. Yeah, heavy as heck. Why give me that look? This bed is going back down. We're gonna run them wires a little bit better, so it won't be behind the headboard like that. It'll be coming out the side most likely. But for this is just to show you guys, sure you can put one in. They've got the feet moving and everything. But we're just doing the one that we bought. We bought a new mattress for the home. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you one more thing. This bed has storage on it. You still actually could probably lift it up right there and put storage stuff still under there. Might be a little hassle to get your mattress off and do all of that, but if you really need to store some stuff like winter clothing that you know you're gonna use all year long, or something that you don't have to get to readily, that'd be a good storage spot still under this base. All right guys, we back. We got the mattress on, and my wife laying there to test it out. And keep in mind, we did not cut the legs. The legs on it maybe about 8 inch long. So if the bed is sitting up a little taller than you want it to, you can always cut those legs down where actually the frame of the bed or the base of the bed will sit level flush with the platform. And as you can see, she's enjoying the heck out of it right now. This is the completed job of it. As you can see, she's letting it back down right now. She's just as happy as a little queen in the chair. Okay.
Yeah.
And we are the Porters with another video. And besides guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot of updates. I'm gonna talk to you about, I even got an air conditioning unit in here, my rooftop air conditioning units. I could actually turn them on with Bluetooth, and that's gonna be in another video that I'm gonna shoot to show you exactly how you can convert your air conditioning so you don't have to leave your bedside. We are the Porters.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.